Welcome to the world of Premoxil Powder, ang inyong pangunahing solusyon para sa kalusugan ng mga manok at baboy. Ito ay especially formulated para labanan ang iba't ibang bacterial infections, kabilang ang CRD o Chronic Respiratory Disease, Poliorum, Coryza, Swollen Head Syndrome, Bumblefoot, at iba pa na dulot ng mga organismo na sensitibo sa amoxicillin at tylosin. Ang malakas na kombinasyon ng mga antibiotics na ito ay nagbibigay ng effective treatment and prevention. Ano man ang problema ng iyong mga alagang manok at baboy, mula sa respiratory distress hanggang sa mga isyu sa kasukasuan o pangkalahatang kalusugan, ang Premoxil powder ay narito para magbigay ng komprehensibong pangangalaga. Madaling ibigay at may napatunayang mga resulta. Choose Premoxil powder as your primary choice for enhancing the health and promoting the well-being of your poultry and swine. Invest in the health of your animals today with Premoxil powder, where prevention meets performance.
Unlock the secret to optimal health for your fighting cocks, poultry, and swine with Premoxil powder. This carefully crafted formulation holds the power of 150 grams amoxicillin trihydrate, 100 grams tylosin tartrate, and 5 grams paracetamol in each kilogram. This unique blend is designed to provide comprehensive care, addressing a range of health concerns in your animals. Join us on a journey to elevate their well-being and witness the transformative effects of Premoxil powder. Make the choice that prioritizes health. Choose Premoxil powder, where excellence meets innovation.
Health benefits of Premoxil powder. Enhanced immune system. Supports a robust immune response in fighting cocks, poultry, and swine. Effective prevention. Administering 5 grams per gallon of drinking water for 3 to 5 days shields animals from potential infections, specifically formulated for preventing various bacterial diseases. Powerful treatment. Using 10 grams per gallon of drinking water for 5 to 7 days during outbreaks provides a strong defense against bacterial infections. Respiratory health aids in maintaining optimal respiratory function, crucial for overall well-being. Reduced pain and inflammation. Alleviates pain and reduces inflammation associated with conditions like bumblefoot and swollen head syndrome. Easy administration. Clear dosage guidelines make it easy to administer through drinking water. Quality manufacturing. Manufactured by Battlecock, a trusted name in the industry, ensuring product quality and reliability. Legal compliance. Strict adherence to legal regulations, emphasizing the importance of veterinary prescriptions. Versatile application. Suitable for fighting cocks, poultry, and swine, providing comprehensive health benefits. Proven results. Users can expect reliable and consistent results, promoting the overall health and performance of their animals.
Tuklasin natin ang mas malalim na mga benepisyo ng Premoxil powder para sa inyong mga paboritong panabong na manok, iba pang mga manok at mga baboy. Ang Chronic Respiratory Disease o CRD ay isang karaniwang hamon, nagdudulot ng ubo, sipon at pagbaba ng performance. Ang kombinasyon ng amoxicillin at tylosin sa Premoxil powder ay diretsahang kumikilos laban sa mga bakterya na sanhi ng CRD, nagtataguyod ng optimal na kalusugan ng respiratory system at nagpapabuti sa pangkalahatang lakas ng mga fighting cocks at poultry. Ang Polyurum at Coryza ay mga kilalang panganib na maaaring magdulot ng pinsala sa mga kawan ng manok. Ang Premoxil powder na may malakas na mga antibacterial na sangkap ay walang humpay na nakikipaglaban laban sa mga pathogens na ito na pumipigil sa pagkalat ng impeksyon at tiyak na nagpapakita ng pangangalaga sa inyong mga alagang hayop. Ang swollen head syndrome at bumblefoot ay masakit na kondisyon na maaaring makaapekto sa mga manok at baboy. Ang komprehensibong formula ng Premoxil powder kasama ang amoxicillin at tylosin ay tumutulong sa pagtanggal ng sakit, pangbawas ng pamamaga at mabilis na pagaling na nag-aasikaso ng mabilisang pag-angat ng inyong mga alagang hayop. Ang Premoxil powder ay hindi lamang isang paraan ng paggamot. Ito ay isang hakbang na prevention sa iba't ibang bacterial infections. Ang regular na paggamit ng Premoxil powder bilang bahagi ng iyong pamamahala sa kalusugan ng mga manok at mga baboy ay makakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng kanilang immune system, keeping them in peak condition and ready for optimal performance. Make the smart choice for your valued animals. Choose Premoxil powder, where health and excellence converge. Now, let's talk about the practical aspects of using Premoxil powder for your fighting cocks, poultry, and swine. For prevention, administer 5 grams per gallon of drinking water for 3 to 5 days, ensuring your animals are shielded from potential infections. In case of an outbreak, the treatment dosage is 10 grams per gallon of drinking water for 5 to 7 days, providing a robust defense against bacterial infections. It is crucial to store Premoxil powder in a dry place at room temperature, not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Shield it from direct sunlight to maintain its efficacy. Remember, proper storage guarantees the potency of the product. As with any medication, caution is key. The Foods, Drugs, Devices, and Cosmetics Act strictly prohibits dispensing without the prescription of a duly licensed veterinarian. Prioritize the health and well-being of your animals by adhering to veterinary guidelines. Premoxil powder is proudly manufactured by Battlecock, a trusted name in the industry. Choose Premoxil powder for its precise formulation, reliable results, and the assurance of Battlecock's commitment to the health of your valued or beloved livestock and poultry animals. Mahal kong mga tagapanood, hindi ko kayang ikwento kung gaano ako kaligaya sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa kwentong ito kasama ang Premoxil powder. Bilang isang taong buong puso ang dedikasyon sa kalusugan ng aking mga alagang hayop, ang pagtuklas sa mga benepisyo ng Premoxil powder ay isang malaking pagbabago. Sa pagsusuri sa mga detalye ng kanyang formulasyon, kung saan naglalaman ito ng 150 grams amoxicillin trihydrate, 100 grams tylosin tartrate, at 5 grams paracetamol bawat kilogram, lubos akong natutuwa sa pagtayo para sa produktong ito. Ang pagpili ko sa Premoxil powder ay hindi lamang isang desisyon. Ito ay isang pangako na itaguyod ang kalusugan at sigla ng aking mga alagang hayop. Ang masusing pagsasanib ng mga pangunahing sangkap na ito ay hindi lamang isang formula. Ito ay isang patunay ng dedikasyon ng brand na magbigay ng komprehensibong pangangalaga para sa ating mga minamahal na mga alagang hayop. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Premoxil powder team for creating such an outstanding product. It has become my ultimate choice, empowering me to provide the utmost care for my animals. Here's to a future where every feathered and four-legged friend thrives in optimal health and where our shared commitment to animal well-being continues to flourish. Have a nice day. Thank you, and God bless.